Hi guys, so I'm going to do a video on all of our fidgets that we have in the house. So starting off with one of the sets at one of the places that Crystal has fidgets, I'll show you. This is one of Crystal's, and mine, because I've got a little bag in the bedroom, but kind of both use them. This is seated over there. We also have a blue bag of fidgets over there, which I'm going to go through in a minute. And then I've got a bag of my fidgets in my bedroom. And then Crystal's got a box of fidgets in her room. So yeah, think enjoy skin. I'll put it here and show you what I got. I'll move this way a bit because then some room. So I'll go through things that aren't in the basket first. So we've got this 18 pack of squidgies. You will see the same squidgies in my fidget box. Always dusting his little table with Xbox sits on. In my fidget bag, mini squishies from Playworld, and they were $5. You get 18 in them. So we went half. I think there's one or two missing, because I don't think there's half of what did I just say? Half of 18 here. 2, 4, 6. 2 sixes are what? 18? Yeah.
What's that?
2 sixes 18? Yeah.
18?
2 sixes 18.
Yeah.
Right, so yeah, no, they are. This is half of the box. Wow. So these are literally, squishies. Not sure what they were. They were meant to be mine. That's cute. With a poodle and a alligator. Now, I've got the same colours, but I've got different animals. That's how they did it. Then we've got another one of these. No, there's two. These are ice cube trays, and she just likes to like a pop it that pops straight back, if you get what I mean. And she's got a green one. These were in the early stages of when she needed poppets. Then we've got a very kind of first sort of fidget thing. When I got my fidget cube, this is the first one I got her, and it's a big Fisher Price one. Put the label in those now, got the fitting toes, buttons, this is a roller, these roll, you've got the like worry pad there, big swoosh there. So yeah, that was our first one. And then our biggest fidget we have in the house is a massive bow poppet.
So, you got them over there?
I know, I do them in a minute.
Right.
I said they've got some over here, some over there, some in her room and some in that room. And there's one in the blinking, there's some in the bag as well, guys, that we take out with us. And there's also one in the kitchen that is mine. So this is our biggest poppet that we got. Well, kind of, there's one at the same size as this, which is over there. Which is like a chain lock board thing. Then we go onto the basket. These are from the works. These are a section. This is the type of box they come in. This is the toaster. Toy Mania is that the brand? There's £4 each, and we've got them all. So this is the washing machine. You can open the door, and this one is all aimed at a certain thing. This one is the thing that the clicking, I expect. And you can see the pair of socks going on. So that's the washing machine. Then we've got, this is the first one we bought, because we bought it for as a night light. I don't even you can see that it's lighting up. And again, it's the clicker. But I'm not as the first one we bought. Then we've got the Hoover, which has got beads inside, and you roll it along as you can see. That one. And then we've got the toaster, which I'll quickly show you because I've got to put the bit of taste back in anyway. But this one is really cute. This one stays in the packet there because I don't want to lose the toast. You put it down. See? So you put it down in, and then there's a button on the back. Now, if you're on like a desk or somewhere that it won't go too far, that one's really, really good. So yeah. It's designed to help people to relieve stress and anxiety. There are some more now, isn't there? Yeah, here we've got this one sticks a little bit. This is the mixer. Again, it's got beads in it, so you can use its shape. Cute. Then I think this might be the last one. I'm not sure. We have the fan. And I can't remember what it does. We have. I can't remember what the fan does.
Broken so.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
I can't remember what it does.
Press it down.
Oh, right. This one is a pressy block, thank you. But it's broke. No, I don't think there's any more. Then we've got an octopus. See there? Kind of it's a puppet. It is a puppet. But she's too old in it. Then we've got quite a few of these milky noodles. 2 yellow, 2 orange. Oh, 3 orange. There. And a green. We've both got a set of these squidgy lizards. These people master. Oh no, we've got 2 more now. This is the stove. This is another clippy one in it. If you can see that at all. See till the lights slightly. Like that, and this is the stove. So, how many have we got? 2, 4, 5, there's one more, there it is. This is the speaker, and this is one of those proper clippy ones. My life is all got eyes on them. Okay.